yakni benta jong kubor la wanras pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Ubak Prestone tensang menteri rang bak sembut jong jenla haba penpai ketin yak jing keno jaka sen kongres baka sarkar MDA kam shimlali ayai lani kam shimla shimkhia bante la kam yak jing safriang jong jing pang covid ka khandai ubak Prestone ulaong baka ni kam de ke ru ndai ke de tangkania Sainpyrthei bat kalong ru tang bat pauna meladi namar bakle shuthia menta bro sansnem ka joko por long hakabide baka jing dawa jaka sang kongres man penpau yak kerteng jong kitu ke biyo yak jing pang covid ka khandai ubak Prestone wong baki anya ni kir komtai kam jong sarkar khamtam hakabide baka koi ka khia bat ki bujujaru akalang ka parthai kalong ba amla banya thu yak jing pang jong ni ki brio la kalong ki barit lani ki bakhrauru
Mr. Zenit Sangma, Honorable MLA from Rang Sekona. I saw today in the newspaper, and I think partly yesterday our Honorable Health Minister has already clarified, but I would like to add some more. Recently we had a meeting convened by the Honorable Speaker, and recent meeting was the third meeting we had. From the government, we were ready with the presentation, the detailed presentation, how we managed and how we started and how we designed the system in place throughout the fighting of COVID-19. So, in the recent meeting, of course, few MLAs, they insisted the government by requesting the government that the list of those positive cases should be made public. That was the discussion we had in the last recent meeting. But ultimately from the government side, when we talk about the medical ethics universally, not only in India, okay? Medical ethics universally, secrecy is important. For example, if Bahek happens to be a doctor, so I went myself to him for consultation, check up myself. Then when I left, maybe next day, tomorrow, my friend, because he knew that Batan Song, he went and check up himself in the clinic of Bahek. So what happened is my friend, maybe they'll come, hey, what happened to Batan Song? Do you think Bahek has to tell them? And is it fair that he should tell, or Batan Song has got this problem, that problem, this problem, that problem? No, medical ethics does not allow.
Ula angru ba usenit ubalong unong aktin jaka sang kongres ula de banya mer jengmut ba du men jong Dr. Mukul Sangma namar Dr. Mukul Sangma ledi hi ude doktor ba usung thu bha yapan buri yaka jengpang jongkin nokpang.
In fact, he should closely have a consultation with his elder brother. Dr. Mukul Sangma, our honorable leader of opposition, who happens to be a physician himself, he never raised this question because he also knew he signed the agreement and the bond before getting the registration. Doctor has to maintain the secrecy. Okay, so therefore the allegation made by them, it is for the sake of playing petty politics.